Emily Woods. I'm the member ambassador here at Techshop San Francisco. A very cool makerspace that's open to the public. Anyone can come in and learn how to make just about anything with their own hands.
Hi, my name is John. I'm an instructor here at Techshop, and I'm also a consultant. I work with plastics, I work with carbon fiber, composites, and I also work with the vacuum forming.
Well, hi, my name's Kai. I've been at Techshop as a member ever since 2012. I became an instructor in 2013, and I use the vacuum former specifically for making ice cube molds and chocolate molds.
So we'll be using the 686 vacuum former here at Techshop in San Francisco. We're going to use this pattern that was initially conceived of for a composites job. I'm going to repurpose it for a vacuum forming plug. They're going to need a little bit of draft angle in order to be able to pull the part off the pattern. And so we're going to have a few relief holes drilled around the base so that we get good definition in here. And I'm going to put draft angle on maybe 3 to 5 degrees on the edges, on all 4 sides. So that way we can get the part off easily. The plastics will contract a little bit when they cool off, and they typically want to grab onto the pattern unless you have good curves like this.
So one of our more popular areas here at Techshop is actually our plastics area. It's very fun. Members can work with 3D printers, a vacuum former formic machine, an injection molder, as well as silicone molding if they would like.
Coming to Techshop, you can learn how to use a lot of tools, particularly CNC tools, which is for computer numerical control. That's just a long, lengthy term for learning how to use computer-controlled tools. So what we can do here is we can cut out a lot of shapes on very basic materials like MDF, which is a very, very cheap material. And it cuts like butter. We're able to cut any shape that we design. And as we do that, we're able to make a positive mold to then make a negative mold with the vacuum former. As soon as we make the negative mold with the vacuum former, we're able to pour in ice. So today we used the new machine, the Formex 686, to automate our project. We went ahead and used the machine for the first time to understand how it coincides with the other machines, and went ahead and vacuum formed it and turned the negative mold into an ice cube tray.
So that's a really wonderful area where a lot of the prototyping begins here at Techshop.